Okay, guys, so a lot of people, a lot of entrepreneurs, especially, they're like, oh, fuck college, fuck school. And then I'm not even gonna defend college, like I'm not gonna defend college or anything, but I just want to give you the most honest advice, before, you guys go to college, school and just real life, right? Because I'm a business person, entrepreneur, I've done drop shipping, I'm a brand owner, I have like over 5 accounts, over 6 figures, dude. So, like, I know what I'm saying, bro. And I also went to high school and I've been to college, but I dropped out in the middle, literally in the middle, like in my second year, dude. Actually, no, my third year. So, let me tell you guys. So, if you guys, this is the fault of social media too. Like, we only see highlight reels, drop shippers, showing their 6 figures per month, 30K per month, 10K per month, and then, a lot of people are like, oh, it's fucking possible. But they don't show like their 5 years of fucking struggle, dude. Right? So, something I want to say to you guys is that, say you're in high school, right? You're still making up your mind. Should I go to high school? I mean, should I go to college? Whereas, some people be like in college too. They're thinking about it. Honestly, dude, like I'm not the biggest fan of college either for a business person. But if you got nothing going on, right? If you got nothing going on in your life, you have no source of income, no money coming in, right? Just go to college, dude. Because say you started a business in high school, it's making you a little bit of money, right? But it's not fucking like making that much that you need to. But till you have to fucking drop out for your business that's making you money, then you can leave college. Then you can leave college, bro. But till then, if you have nothing going on, you just fucking yapping in your brain, haven't took no action and shit, don't fucking just go to college. Don't do business. Like you can do business management, finance, do accounting, learn a different skill. Don't do marketing though. Marketing is different. Like I'll tell you guys about marketing later, but don't do that shit. So do a different thing, that has a little bit more money. I'm not saying to do doctor, right? Because that's gonna take 10 years. I mean honest. Right? I'm not saying go do lawyer. But do something that's gonna bring you money. Have a job. Have a fucking job while you're doing college, in summer, or you can have a job in summer, stack of money, or do it both. I know my sister literally did both. She was having a job, college, so you guys can do it too, bro. You guys can do it too. And then a little bit time you have left, work on your side hustle shit, bro. And then when your side hustle is being your main hustle, bro, then you fucking quit that shit. Quit one of the shit. Then you go all in till it's bringing you money, until it's showing numbers. You don't do shit, bro. Don't do fucking shit. Just go to college, high school, be a regular guy, but don't get swayed into parties. All these girls, drama. Like still talk to girls and shit. Get your game up and shit, but don't let that sway you. Your friends. Doing drugs and all that bullshit. So choice is yours at the end of the day, but have a vision, have an end goal, have a plan. And then once, because thing is, if you don't have, say you have like $2,000 saved up right now, right? You want to start drop shipping. Honestly, don't even do it. If you want to start trading, don't do it, bro, because you're gonna operate out of fear. Because if you start losing money, in the starting, bro, you're low key bound to lose money. You can get lucky, but you're gonna bound, and then you're gonna fucking lose money, bro. And then once you start losing money, you're like, oh fuck, bro. Like you're gonna go in survival mode, bro. You're not gonna be able to fucking think, right? So then you're not gonna operate correctly, bro. But if you have a job, you're gonna be like, okay, this, fuck, I just lost my another day, bro. Oh, it's cool. I'll just work another day and recoup my money, right? Just different mindset, bro. Say you gotta pay for ads. You'll be like, okay, another day of work, but it's gonna fucking come in, bro. Like, it's gonna be all worth it at the end of the day. So, all I would say is get a job. So go to college, do your side hustle shit. You gotta grind, bro. If you have literally no money, no daddy's money, anything like that, you gotta grind, dude. If I'm being honest, literally just grind. Like I'm telling you guys, bro, I came from nothing too. So Like I'll show you on my journey later, but yeah, this is how it's gonna be, just like the one it should, dude. So, and then once you're like 100K stacked up, or not even 100K stacked up, once you like start stacking the money, and your side hustle's kind of doing a little bit good, starting up, or you want to start it up, you want to have money for ads, save up, use like 10% or 20% of your money for ads, right? Start making content online, right? Just do that shit, bro. Just go pick a platform, or pick a skill for your side hustle, master that, teach people online. You're gonna make way more, bro. Way more, and also do it too till it becomes your main bitch type shit, So till that, what I'm gonna say. What I'm gonna say. Go to college, and then get a job, and then do your shit, bro. And you just keep doing your side hustle till it becomes your main bitch. Don't fucking do it, bro. A lot of people say, oh yeah, Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg all dropped out. Let me tell you guys something. All of these people literally went like Stanford. No, I think Harvard, Stanford, fucking shit like that, bro. Like from big colleges, bro. And then when their main shit was going big, like they didn't have no time for school. That's when they dropped out, decided to drop out because it was becoming so big. They're like, okay, we can do college, right? But still, they were doing fucking college, bro. They were still doing college at the end of the day. They still had a job at the end of the day, bro. Literally. So, who the fuck do you think you are, bro? You have no college degree, right? You're bringing no money. You have no side hustles. Nothing's going on for you. What makes you say you're gonna drop out, right? What makes you say you're not gonna have a job? What makes you say it's gonna work? So, be fucking smart, dude. Everybody have their own pace. Look at your pace. Look at your pace, dude. Everybody has a different clock, right? Everybody has different, luck in their life, right? Like you cannot replicate Jeff Bezos anymore, Bill Gates anymore. Their time was different, bro. Their time was like innovative time. I'm not saying this is not every time is innovative, but back those days it's like a little bit more easy. But it doesn't mean today's not easy, right? Simple as gonna be. So yeah, bro. I'll catch y'all later. You guys are smart. Don't do stupid ass shit. Be connected to something deep inside that pushes you. So yeah, boys. Catch y'all later, spiders. Peace out.